Welcome to my channel at Eazy Surveys. In this video, I want to quickly show you on how to configure your Google Earth Pro to read in UTM extents and nothings, as well as configure it to read in Lat and Long. Okay, so in the case whereby you are a first timer on Google Earth Pro and the default coordinate format is going to be reading is the degree, minutes and seconds format. However, if you want to extract the coordinate in UTM, this video is just for you. So to do that, all you have to do is to go to your choose, scroll down to options. Alright, on your options, you are going to be on 3D view. Alright, so on 3D view, you scroll down to UTM, which is the Universal Traverse Locator. So you check that and you click on apply and OK. So the moment you do that, here, as you can see, it has changed from the degree, minutes, seconds coordinate format to the UTM extents and nothings. So in case you now want to extract coordinates, you can see that here it's going to be reading the extents and nothings this way, and it's going to show you the zone that you are on. Alright, so that's how to do that. But I'm still going to show you on how to configure it to read the Lat and Long decimal degrees. Okay, to do that, you are still going to come to the tools, go to options, right? Then you click on decimal degrees. When you click on decimal degrees, you click on apply and OK. So as you can see below here, it has started with reading the Lat and Long. So in case you now want to extract any coordinate of a point, so this is a particular place, region in Lagos, okay, and you now want to extract any points, you are going to be seeing it in decimal degrees, latitude and longitude. I hope we get that right. So that is how to configure your Google Earth to read the coordinate on UTM as well as on latitude and longitude. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel if you find this video useful. See you next time.